Dito pa rin kami guys sa gym.
Bro, we can always use an extra umbrella.
That's nice.
Go ahead and go to your T-Mobile Tuesday and hit redeem.
Oh!
Wait. Here, right?
I can't see. Yeah, save to my
Free
stuff.
umbrella sila. Hi guys! Welcome back! Pupunta kami ng gym ngayon guys. Alam niyo yun? Nafe-feel ko na papalapit na talaga guys. Kanina sobrang ano ko yung puson ko parang nag-ano siya yung parang period cramps pero hindi siya yung tuloy-tuloy. Meron kaninang umaga. Kaya sabi ko kay Travis, sabi ko nararamdaman ko na parang meron period cramps tapos kanina meron akong discharge na merong light brown. So, kailangan ko i-monitor yun and kailangan ko sabihin kay nurse tomorrow. Kasi meron kaming appointment bukas. Hindi ko alam kung abuti pa tayo ng due date. Diba? Sabi ko nga kay Travis, I think that's the best date that I put my leave.
Yeah, I think it's based on your symptoms. It's signs of maybe a possible early pregnancy before March 6th. Based on your symptoms.
And as you can see, my face it looks like, you know, swollen. A little bit, but I feel like
your fingers aren't poofy, right?
No, it's not.
Yeah.
It's not.
If you were really swollen, I'd be worried about gestational diabetes because that's what happens. You get swollen. But
I just tested. Oh, but it was maybe a month ago. Yeah, but I tried to be, you know, to work out, to eat healthy as much as possible, but sometimes you can't really stop, you know, yung cravings mo ng ano. Pero yun, yung mga symptoms ko naman is normal naman daw. Pati yung numbness sa kamay. Ayun. Ngayon nga wala na, it's gone. The numbness in my right hand. It comes and goes. It's like sometimes it will, you know, you will feel it and then after a few seconds it's gone.
Yeah, it goes away.
Yeah. Tapos yun, bukas malalaman namin guys kasi meron kaming appointment bukas, so we will see. And today we will go to probably E-Mart and then Walmart. Tignan namin kasi may bibilin kami ngayon guys. Tapos may drop daw siyang package. What is the package? The tripod?
Yeah, I just need to return it to Kohl's.
Oo, kasi kailangan niya i-return. Bumili siya ng bago. So yun, we'll see you later guys. Mag-workout muna kami. Kailangan natin mag-workout at lakad-lakad sa treadmill. Tapos ang ginagawa ko rin yung steps sa gym. Meron sila yung parang hagdan-hagdan doon. Yun yung ginagawa ko. Tapos squats. I always make sure na ginagawa ko yung 100 squats a day. Kahit na hindi ako pumunta ng gym sa bahay, ginagawa ko siya. So, yun. We'll see you later. Dito pa rin kami guys sa gym. Hi guys! Katatapos lang namin mag-workout. Pupunta naman kami ngayon sa Kohl's and then T-Mobile. Kasi kailangan ko din palitan ng screen protector tong cellphone ko. Buti na lang talaga may insurance din kami. So pang ilang palit ko na to, no? Dito, pwede mo din lagyan ng insurance, right? Your phone. Kapag ka nasira, papalitan nila. Kapag ka yung screen protector mo nagkaroon ng crack, papalitan nila, libre. Pero kailangan mong bayaran monthly. Sabi ni Travis, magbili na lang tayo ng insurance para sa phone natin kasi ito kasi lagi din siya nababasagan ng screen protector. Hindi naman nasiyasadya pero minsan pag diba, pag nalaglag lang tas basag agad. So siguro mga pangatlong palit ko na to. Buti na lang talaga rin kami kasi ang mahal pag bumili ka ng isang pag bumili ka. How much is the screen protector when you purchase it?
They're like 50.
Oh, $50, diba? Tapos, kung ilang palit ka, siguro mga magkano rin magagastos mo. Pero, but how much we're paying for monthly insurance?
It's
18. So, not bad.
Well,
it depends. It depends, yeah.
It covers more than just it covers your phone if you destroy it too. Like,
Oh, it's not only for the screen
no,
protector.
it does everything.
Oh, okay. I thought it's only for the screen protector. I was like, that's kind of expensive for just screen protector. So, ayun. Punta muna kami dun, guys. I-return lang namin yung kailangan niyang i-return. Tapos, punta kami ng T-Mobile. Yung T-Mobile nga pala, di ba meron tayo sa Pilipinas na call center. So, kapag tatawag sila minsan, Pilipino yung sumasagot, di ba? There's a call center in the Philippines for T-Mobile.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
There is.
Yeah, there is.
Yeah, you're right.
Kasi nung tumatawag I think it was Mama Karen last time that she called T-Mobile, and then and you, right?
Yeah, I've talked to him before.
Yeah, nakausap niya daw mga Pilipino.
I'm like, kumusta ka? Fix my problem. Help me.
Kumusta ka? Why my phone is not working? So, ayun guys, we'll see you later. Punta kami mamaya dami namin pupuntahan ngayon, no? Tapos may appointment kami bukas, tapos may pasok din kami. Punta kami ng E-Mart at Walmart.
A few moments later.
Lakas ng ulan, guys. Nandito na tayo. We get free umbrella today.
We're actually here for a screen protector, but
Yeah.
I will take an umbrella. We can always use an extra
That's
umbrella.
nice.
Go ahead and go to your T-Mobile Tuesday and hit redeem.
Oh!
Right here, right?
I can't see. Yeah,
oh,
save
So,
to my
free
stuff.
umbrella sila. Dito kami sa Walmart, guys. Yeah, we can eat that, Ang dami nilang pang Valentine's na, stuffed toy.
Kinsley would love one.
Si Kinsey lang. Kakain lang ata kami sa labas. So, we're gonna get pancake. Pancake ni Travis, tapos may mga clearance sila. Ayan o, ang cute na mga stuffed toy, babe. Next time, Ellie will ask you, babe. Daddy, can you buy me? Can you buy me teddy bear, please?
I'll tell her.
And then she's gonna give you her beautiful eyes.
I'll tell her.
Daddy, please.
100 push-ups and you can have one.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, look at
Can't do
that.
it.
Grabe, Valentine's na dito.
You can't do it. You don't get it.
We need the...
Cheap. I could bring one of these to work. I need
For $2, yeah. I need the... I think it's more cheaper at E-Mart. Because I think last time I went there, 80 cents. Kailangan ko na... Wala silang plastic. Ito na yung kulay ng plastic nila. Ay, wala laman. By the way guys, ginamit na namin yung payong galing sa T-Mobile kanina. Lakas kasi ng ulan. Tapos, I need pineapple, babe. The pineapple is right there. Kailangan natin pineapple, guys. Pineapple nila, $2.34. Isang peraso lang talaga kailangan ko. Tapos bibili tayo ng tinapay, guys.
No, that's only 2 grams too.
The what?
I wanna see if this one has 2 grams of fiber and a lot of omega. 2 grams of fiber, which isn't bad.
Ganap siya ng edamame. Magmi-meal prep daw siya.
Edamame in there.
You still have...
Those are 20.
Babe, you still have one in the freezer. Babe, you still have one in the freezer though.
I know, these are these steamable?
Ha? Magkano kaya? $3?
I want the ones that are in the...
Oh, I wanna buy the yung oh, ito yung boba nila, oh. Bibili pala ako ng fish fillet. $7. Ito yung binibili ko, guys, na fish fillet. Ayan. Tapos may fish fillet din.
Ready to cook. Salmon solar color added.
I-air fry mo lang yan eh. Diba? Sabi ko, unti lang bibili namin dito eh. Kasi doon kami mamili sa Asian market. Tapos, andito naman itong isa oh. So far, ito pa lang naman nabibili namin. Pero dapat 3 item lang bibili namin guys dito. Pero napadami.
Should I grab it for my meals or no?
Yeah.
Or is it too expensive?
Salmon is expensive. What do you expect? Ito nga pala yung binibili ko guys na pineapple juice na hinalo ko sa raspberry. Grabe, bumili kami ng cranberry. Ibang lasa, ang tapang. Kasi pure siya eh. Ito yung binibili ko oh. Magkano to? $7. $7 pala talaga, babe.
How much is that?
7. Oh, 5.
I was gonna say, you sure?
Oh, this one is 7. Oh, the apple ginger.
They're all a little different, yeah.
This one is $5.
Just grab the cheaper one, $5. This is real stuff though. This isn't the fake stuff. It's just pure pineapple juice. Wait, do they have kettle corn?
I don't think so. Maybe they have.
Look for kettle.
Mango pineapple. Ito yung mga, nandito tayo sa mga juice na ayaw. Naalala ko dati na sa Pinas, ang bata ko, bumibili ako niyan ng, ano naman tawag niyan, pasas. Sarap na sarap ako sa raisins. Dati sa Pinas. What?
Kettle corn. Sweet and salty.
Grabe, bilisan mo Travis kay may ano pa tayo, pupunta pa tayo ng E-Mart. You still wanna go to E-Mart? Maybe not.
No.
Baka mag-fried na lang kami ng chicken.
We're not gonna have time to go to.
Oh, may pineapple din sila. Oh, crushed pineapple. Pineapple slices. Ang arte ni Travis. What?
That stuff's garbage.
What do you mean?
Where are we going? You wanted a biscuit?
Yeah. It's not in this aisle. Snacks, right here. You know, snacks. Pero ba kumain ng unhealthy kahit minsan lang?
Right here. These are actually really good.
O, diba? Pag ako talaga bibili.
Olive oil is good. That one's good. You could do like.
Oh, I like this, babe. Club Minis Parmesan garlic.
The Triscuits are good, babe.
What?
Triscuits are really good. These wheat thins, these are actually really good for you. If you get one that you like, the originals are good.
I think I've tried that.
But look, they have all different ones. Like this one has sea salt. Well, this one's roasted garlic.
Good things, gluten-free.
Cracked pepper. I think you'd like the rosemary and olive oil is really good. Tomato basil. These are really good. The Triscuits, they're good for you.
Ito parang pita ata ito eh. Can I just grab this? The Ritz?
3 grams of fiber,
Hi.
3 grams of protein.
Just this one.
Check and see how much fiber and protein.
Oh my gosh. Fiber. 0 fiber.
0. Yeah, no, you don't want this. Look at the ingredients list. It's 20 of them. Look at this one. There's only a couple, like olive oil, salt. Gluten-free. Want to try those? Sesame.
Sesame. Doesn't seem it has a lot in it.
Jalapeno lime. Grab some.
That is good with cheese.
These are a little bit bigger. Look, rosemary.
Can I grab a chocolate biscuit like Oreo?
You need to calm down on the sugar.
Oreo.
No. No.
Galit na galit ako.
Enough.
Enough. Enough, babe.
Yeah, you don't need to keep
Enough.
eating
Oh,
There's
look at that, babe. Oh,
veggies.
Valentine's.
that. You're not getting none of that.
Enough.
Here, this one's veggie.
Okay. Oh, I tried this one before, but let's see.
Holy heck, no way. It's like 100 ingredients. Keep it simple, keep it healthy.
Okay, just grab me. What do you think? Because I might bring it to work.
So, if I was to look at
Biscuit pa lang tayo,
this,
tagalan na.
I'd say Triscuits are your better version of this stuff.
Triscuit?
Yeah, I mean these are still kind of high in like corn
This one?
starch.
You said this one?
Yeah. So
Okay, I'll just grab this.
you could try one of these. You could try one of these too. These look.
The flavor?
Look
I don't think I'm gonna like the flavor.
Look how simple. I don't like the canola oil in it. That's not good
But
for
the
you.
ano?
But it's simple.
Oh, that one. I like that one.
Smoked Gouda?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see.
It's kind of a lot in there.
That's
Like,
fine. Oh,
like,
there's...
considering like that's all that's in this one, and then look at what's in this
Oh
one.
my gosh, Travis. Come on, dali.
I wish they had better.
Peanut butter.
This is the one you're gonna get. Roasted garlic. It's healthier.
I'll just try that. Okay.
I wish there was a better.
Dami talagang pang Valentine's, guys. So, buong aisle na to pang Valentine's.